Are you suffering from subscription death? That heavy feeling of watching $15, $20, and $50 drain your business bank account every single month for tools you think you need? Most business owners I talk to are exhausted by the cost of their tech stack, but they stay on Zoom because they're afraid to lose their workflow. They're paying extra simply because they don't realize they already own a solution. My client Danielle was exactly the same way. She was deeply skeptical that Google Meet could handle her professional standards. Today, I'll show you how she will ditch the Zoom tax and streamline her business without sacrificing a single feature. Hi, I'm Amy from Clutter. I help small business owners reduce their tech stack and their mental load all in one move by replacing frustrating, expensive workarounds with the seamless workflows already included in your Google Workspace. If you are tired of your tools fighting you and you're ready for a business that feels lighter, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm here to help you streamline your business, not just manage your apps. Before we look at the features that convinced Danielle to cut the cord, I have a question for you. When you sit down to start your day, do you feel focused and ready, or do you feel scattered by all the different logins you have to manage? Do you have that feeling of digital apps weighing you down? Let me know in the comments, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much tech friction are you feeling today? I'm here to help lighten your load. The very first thing Danielle asked me about was her glow. She didn't want to lose that touch-up filter she loved in Zoom. Although that feature is not in your free Gmail account, it is included in your business standard account. Inside Google Meet, you can adjust your lighting and apply subtle portrait touch-up features directly in your settings. You get to look professional, polished, and bright without a separate monthly bill. Danielle also confided that she was wasting time every morning just logging into all of her systems. When you use Zoom, that's another login and password. By staying within Google Workspace, you have one less login. You open your work Chrome profile, and you're already in your own command center. You save clicks and reduce that scattered feeling of having your business spread across too many softwares. Next, we have to bust the myths. First, co-hosting. Yes, in Google Meet, your team can host meetings without you. It's a simple toggle in your host controls. So if you're running late or on vacation, the meeting can happen regardless. Second, do my clients need a Gmail account? No. Just like Zoom, anyone with a link can join. When Danielle learned that her clients could join just as easily as before, she was instantly relieved and ready to start with Meet. Finally, Danielle was paying for a separate AI note taker, so she didn't have to take notes during meetings, and that made follow-up emails and tasks easier later. Gemini for Google Workspace functions within Google Meet to do exactly these things. It will record, transcribe, take notes, and summarize meeting topics into a Google Doc automatically. It even lists the next action steps for everyone in the meeting. This doc lands straight in your drive, and the recording is also saved there too. And it allows you to stay present with your client while the tech handles the paperwork. To review, the reason this move to Google Meet is so important isn't just saving $20 a month. It reduces your tech stack and your digital clutter. Consolidating by using Google Workspace apps removes the friction of switching between software and gives you back the mental bandwidth you've been spending on tech management. If you suspect your Zoom tax is just the tip of the iceberg, you need to know exactly where else your business is spending money and energy. Danielle's aha moment was realizing that she already owned the solution. If you're ready to find your own aha moments, here are your 2 next steps. First, the next time you go to schedule a meeting, don't open Zoom. Go to your Google Calendar and click Add Google Meet and try it for yourself. Second, if you want to identify every other hidden workaround in your business, I've created a self-audit to help you see which workflows can be simplified to lighten your load. Find the link for the self-audit in the description below. You already own the solution. Now it's time to start using it. I look forward to helping you succeed.